cute in a dress, she cute in some jeans. She ain't a member, she is the team. When I'm on the go, she know where I be. She is my rock, she is my queen. She is my rock, bust at the up.
Hey guys, as you guys can see from the title, I look kind of blurry. And this lighting, I cannot get this lighting to work in our new place to save my life. So if this footage is dark, I'm so sorry. I think it's clear. I can't see from, we're just gonna roll with it, okay? So as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be a collective haul. These are just some things that I collected while out shopping. Some stuff I've already worn, and some stuff I just could not wait to wear or use and stuff like that. And before I get started, this is one of my merch t-shirts. It says, I'm an entrepreneur bitch, # self-made. And I will be launching my merch probably Thursday or Friday of next week. I don't know what the date is. Let me check for y'all real quick so y'all will know. And I don't have on no pants, so yeah, I hope you guys didn't see my ass. But if you guys did, you guys have seen an ass before. Might as well be the first. My merch will be launching probably Thursday the 24th or probably the 25th of next week. So stay tuned for that. I will have a entire video talking about my merch and everything like that, so you guys can definitely support your girl. And it's more than just t-shirts. I have accessory items as well. So yeah, so stay tuned for that video, and make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn your notification bell on so you guys can be on the lookout for all my upcoming videos, because so many people always say they don't have, they don't get the notification when my videos are posted. So I'm just gonna start with Claire's. So I went to Claire's. They had a, what was the deal? Buy 3. My hair is all over the place too. This video is gonna be all over the place. But I just wanted to show you guys everything that I got because I want to put this stuff up. So they had the buy 3 phone cases, get 3 free. Kalia wanted to go and buy one for her friend's birthday, her best friend's birthday. As a matter of fact, you guys probably saw it by now on Snapchat. So I've really been holding these cases ever since then. And then I got some new phone cases in as well that I got in the mail. And if you guys do want an updated case collection, give this video a thumbs up. I can definitely do that for you guys. Like I said, I went to Claire's. They had buy 3, get 3 free. She purchased 3 and I got 3, or however we did it. So the first one looks just like this. It's just a, I don't even know if you guys can see this case or not, but let me just take it out because I'm kind of far. But it's just a clear case, and it has like the bling on the side. Nothing too special, but it's cute and pretty. You guys probably can't see it. And then I purchased this case right here. This is like a, I don't know, like an ear case. Some of you guys can see that or not, like that. And it has like the glitter and bling on it. I'll take it out so you guys can see it. It looks like this. It's all glittery and girly. You guys know I love anything glitter, okay? I thought it was cute or whatever. And then I did purchase a pair of earrings, but this did not come from Claire's. I just threw this in here. I probably got this from a hair store. Some earrings. And then I snapped these cases the other day, but I did get these cases off of, I'm not sure. I will link them in my case collection video if you guys want to see that. But these are just Champion phone cases. This is a marble one. This is kind of like, I don't know, like a holographic. It changed colors when you move it, but you guys can't see it right now because it's not doing it for the lighting. And this one just says Champion on it. So yeah, the lighting is going in and out. So of course I went to Bath & Body Works. I had their 10 off of 30, and then I also went when they had the buy 2 get 3 free. What? Buy 2 get 3 free, or the buy 3 get 2 free. And then they gave me another $10 off, like I need another one of those. So we're gonna show you guys real quick what I got. I got a lotion because I did need more body lotion. I got this one. This one is chamomile. I can never get it right. and Honey body lotion. Looks just like this. I'm sure you guys can see that or not because the camera is so far back. And then this one is Wild Rose and Apple. I just finished using this before I started this video. Smells really, really good. And then I did get a shower gel. This is Fresh Sea Salt Mango. It just says sea salt right there. And then I also got Pink Lily and Bamboo. It's called Pink Lily. And then I like the new ones. They're so pretty and colorful. And then I also got this one right here, which is called, I don't know, Wacky Beach Coconut. And it just says coconut on it. This one smells really, really good out of all the ones that I got. I'm not sure it's because I love coconut and it just smells so refreshing. So I did get this and that's what it was. Buy 2, get 3 free, or either buy 3, get 2 free. And then I also use my 10 off 30 because y'all know I like to buy on the budget. And also I got some stuff from Target. They had a really, really big sale around, I think it was Mother's Day, if I'm not mistaken. But I snapped and told y'all to come to this sale because y'all know I like to buy on the budget. So, yes. So the next one I have is from Target. And I hope you guys can't, I don't have on no pants. Yeah, you guys can't see. So the first thing I got from Target, I'm just gonna sit it right here. I actually wore a dress already I got from Target because, as a matter of fact, not only they have their clearance stuff on sale, you guys, they also had buy one at regular price with this new brand, which this is the brand. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. This is the brand for the dresses that I got. They were buy one get one 50% off. So these are the shoes I picked. I just thought they was really, really cute for the summertime. And I did not want to just have all black shoes for the summertime. I thought it was really, really cute. Kind of reminded me of the shoes Marilyn Monroe had on in her movie. Looks like this. They're really, really cute. I really, really love them. They're like a bronzy, very type of bright goldish color. The camera is changing the lighting, so it's not even picking up the true color. But these are really, really comfortable, and they were $22. But at the time, I used the Cartwheel app, and they actually was 30% off when you got to the register. So you guys are sleeping on the Target app. What are you guys doing? You can get more deals. And then I picked up, these were some of the dresses I got. Buy one, get one half off. And it is the same brand. It's basically just a regular black dress. And it kind of wraps around. So it looks like this. And I got a 2X. You guys kind of maybe see it. And it has the tie right here. And it's kind of short. And it fits me really, really well. So I got that. And then I got another one because, like I said, it was buy one, get one free. Now, this is an olive color. I love olive green. The price on these were kind of high. Well, no, they wasn't. They was $27.99. So you buy one for $27.99, get the other one for half off. You probably can see this one better. It has a really low dip, which you can see like the boobies area, okay? And then it looks like this. This is how it looks. It fits me really, really well. I love the fact that it goes in to make you have like that hourglass frame. And then I do have another bag from Target. It's somewhere down here. Oh yeah. And then I picked up 2 more dresses because, I mean, buy one, get one half off. This one is really, really pretty. It's real summery. It's like a vibrant green. These were $27 as well, $27.99. Like this, because y'all, it gets so hot out here in Texas. You literally could get away with walking around naked if it was legal, but obviously we can't do that because if we could, I'll be out here and it all hang out because that's how hot it is. So this is one of the dresses. It looks just like this. It's not too low, but it's a V-neck and it's sleeveless. And then it just has like the tie around it and it looks like this. Really, really cute. I'm actually thinking about pairing these with the shoes that I purchased. I know you guys are like, yellow with green. Yes. That'll be a really cute combination. And then also these shoes will be cute with the next dress I'm going to show you guys. So this one right here. This one was also, of course, the buy one, get one. Where's the front? It's like this. Really, really cute print on it. And it wraps around just like this. It's kind of short because your girl got, you know, and of course, anytime you have a bigger butt, so I ain't saying I got the biggest ass in the world, but girl, it's back there, okay? And I can't get rid of it. Anytime you have a bigger butt, your dress seems to rise at the back, so that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So then I went to Charlotte Russe. These were 2 different occasions. I went to Charlotte Russe once, and Kalia purchased a lot of stuff. So they had like buy one, get one for $12.50. So I bought me a pair. She got her pair for $12.50. And then they had like rompers on sale. If you guys saw on Snapchat, her best friend had a romper theme, birthday weekend buy theme. So if you guys are wondering where she got that blue romper that was short in the front and it goes long in the back, that's where she got it from. Because a lot of y'all was asking me on Snapchat. So this is the brand. I think they say Cupid. And I picked these shoes up because I wanted them to match one of my dresses that I already have. So it looks just like this. I really do like the thick heel because I'm a big girl, honey. I can't be out here wearing no heels with a heel this small. I can't do that. I'm gonna broke my neck. And then y'all won't see me on here because I won't have no, I mean, I just can't, I can't wear little bitty heels. This is how it looks at the back. And this is how it looks on the side. I thought it was a really, really cute nude heel. I mean, they look really cute on my feet. So yeah, that's the only thing I purchased. Like, Khalil was in there balling, like she was like living her best life, child, and I only had one thing. And then I went back a second time, and Khalil purchased, I can't remember what she got, but anytime I go shopping, you guys, I'm gonna go shopping with coupons because I bought on a budget, honey, and I have a budget for everything. The next is the other pair I got on the second time we went, the second trip. And these are another pair of like nudish shoes. I thought they was really, really cute. It looked like this, of course, with the chunky heel. Chunky heels are coming back in, you guys, so don't sleep on them. They zip up in the front. I like the peekaboo at the front with the toe out, and it looks just like this. I really do like them. This is how they look. And it's kind of like mesh right here, so you guys can see like the skin. This was really, really cute, so I picked them up. And I think it was buy one, get one half off as well. And then I also picked up just some white sandals, just because I need to like go run somewhere or something like that. The lighting is gonna change because the lighting in this video is all bad. This is all bad, but I'm just gonna roll with it. But of course, this is how they look. Like they have like gold at the top. And I think at the time they had their sandals for $5. And I did get some earrings because I did have a coupon 40% off as well. And then when you go in there, sometimes they give you style cash. You can get like 10 off of 40 or 20 off of 75, which I would prefer to use the 20 off of 75, especially if you know you're going to get more stuff. So I have two, what is this? Well, no, I thought I had 2 necklaces. These are just some gold hoop earrings. I'm sure if you guys can see them or not. And then I think this is a necklace. This is just a multi-chain necklace, but it's kind of like tangled up. It's like 3 necklaces in one. You guys can see that right there. So yeah, that's everything I got from Charlotte Russe. But like I said, you guys, keep up with their coupons, their emails, and stuff like that. And Retail Me Not. You guys just sleeping on Retail Me Not. They always have coupons. What is this? I think this is Ross. Yeah, this is Ross. It's just in a different bag. And I have some underwear, so I'm not going to show you guys that. So these are just some heels I picked up from Ross. They look like this, just some black heels. It has like glitter on it, just if I want to run and do something, or if I just want to wear like a long black dress or something, I can always dress it up with like some silver jewelry that's blingy, like so. If you guys can see that, it has like bling on it, but they're actually cuter in person, so I picked those up. because I needed more heels and sandals for the summer. And then I picked up these nudes because I have so many pair of black sandals and red shoes and colorful shoes, and I didn't have that many nude. So my purpose was to get nude, like heels and stuff if I saw them. So this is how they look. I'll show you guys one. It looks like this, and it has like the peekaboo. I love a wedge heel. You cannot go wrong with a wedge heel, especially if you're a bigger girl like myself. So this is how the shoe look, just like that. And you can wear nude with anything. It don't have to be just, it can be anything. Nude go with anything, just like black. And then I have some underwear, but I'm sure y'all don't want to see those. And then last but not least, I went to Vans, because the Vans that I have are all black. They're in really good condition, but I do have a pair of black and white Vans. As a matter of fact, I believe, yeah, Kalia got a pair of these for Christmas, and I really like them. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to get me a pair. So I picked up me a pair of Vans that look like this. I just think these are like the OG Vans classic. They look just like this. As a matter of fact, when I'm done filming, I'm going to put on my leggings with this shirt, and I'm going to wear these shoes with this shirt because it matches perfectly. So this is what I'm going to be wearing when I get to filming this video. And that is pretty much everything, I believe. Yep, that is everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want me to still do hauls, let me know. I am going to be doing some try-on hauls, so stay tuned for that. I just have to figure this lighting out because I just cannot figure it out. As you guys can see, the footage is not going to be that well in this video. It's kind of looking grayish. I don't know. It is what it is. So like I said, stay tuned for my video showing you guys my different merch that I have now. It has been a process, but God's plan, honey. God's plan. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next. And also, let me know if you guys can follow me on Snapchat, because Snapchat get first dibs on everything. Every time I get on camera, I'm like, Snapchat seen it first. Snapchat did this. Snapchat seen this first. The angle that I took some of the shirts in and stuff that I had, you couldn't really see what this shirt said. I kind of like angled it halfway, but for all the people who was asking, what did this shirt say? It says, I'm an entrepreneur, bitch. Not saying I'm a bitch, just I'm an entrepreneur, bitch. Hashtag self-made. Self-made, self-made, okay? Okay. So, I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you're not following me on Instagram and Snapchat, follow me. Like I said, Snapchat get first dibs on everything. And I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different.